Hey campers, how's it going out there? Hope you guys are having a good day today. Just thought we'd give you an update from the headquarters here. Headquarters Pepe. As you know, it's been quite a while since we've been here. A lot of stuff has happened. Obviously the coronavirus, we've been at home, shops are closed, people staying at home, staying safe, trying to keep healthy, trying not to make it any worse than it is. I hope you guys are doing the same thing. I hope you guys are in good health out there. I thought we'd give us a quick update on Pepe, see what's been going on, because we haven't been here for quite a while, man. Feels really weird being here. Finally, stuff's getting done. It looks a bit of a tip in there. It's a bit of a mess. It's a bit of chaos, but it's organized chaos, man. We know what's going on. Today I'm on my own. Vic is working, as some of us do. Yeah, we have to do that, right? Pay the bills, and that's another part of this build that has been a little bit difficult for us, trying to pay the bills, man. Budget, very tight, so we've kind of had to stop things, earn some money, and then we can buy some more stuff and carry on. So I eventually did that at a big hardware store, and then COVID happened and I couldn't go and fetch it, and it was closed off for a month, 2 months, 6 weeks, I don't know. Anyway, we're here now, back at work. Done some small stuff, not much progress has been made on the big stuff. And there's the difference between building a house, or the similarity, and a bus. Because whenever you build a house, the walls go up, the floor goes in, the roof goes on, you think, we're done. And you forget that you need plumbing, you need electricity, you need carpets, you need appliances, you need a doorbell, all the little details. That takes more time than the whole build. And that's where we're at today again. So we'll go inside quickly, have a look around, and just put a little bit of details of what has to be done. But these little things hold you up, and they need to be done. So here we go, man. Check it out. There are 2 water tanks. That's been a bit of work. The problem I'm having here is matching up caravan equipment, which is the water tanks, with gardening equipment, which is the hoses and clips and fittings, and plumbing, which is the taps and all of that stuff. And all of these fittings are just not the right size, so I've been going up and down to the hardware more times than I can actually remember, man. It's just ridiculous. But I'm getting there now, man. Connections, that's where the water comes in, from behind the bus to fill the water tanks. 130 liters, 100 liters, together 230 liters. See, I've got my maths, man. Over here I've done these little clips here, and these little things, which keeps it up, right? And this thing here is to keep it closed. When you're driving around, it doesn't all come down when you turn a corner. Those are all done here, which is really cool. This looks really rudimentary. But if it's stupid and it works, it ain't stupid. And it works, I'll show you. Anyway, the kitchen. Excuse the bed here, man. Yeah, the same thing. These little clips on the side. Keeps the doors closed. It's all these little things you need to think about when you're driving around in a van. Over here as well. It's all that takes time, man. So anyway, it's nice just to get on a bit, do the little details, get that done. The ceiling, as you saw last time, was a bit of a mess. That was an issue because we had left these vents open. This one was open, and at the back here, remember these little boys? So yeah, we've been having great big thunderstorms lately. You know, the same amount of rain that you normally get in 2 weeks, you get in 1 day, like 100 millimeters, just cloudbursts. And water came in there and over here, and the whole ceiling was sagging when we came in here, so we opened it all up and we let it breathe for about 3 months at least. Now we know it's completely dry. It's been raining since, really hard rains the last couple of weeks, and it's dry, which is very positive on our side. Now we can get the ceiling in again, which is another bit of a hold up. So it all adds together, but now we know the van is dry, everything works. Here we have the doors again. I'll put these brackets in here now, because the management told me no more screws around here, only along the edge, so you have to obey management. It's a lot more sturdy now. It's not as wobbly as it was, which is nice. And here's our tap. Look at that. It works. We need to get a water heater first, and we need to hook up all the water. But everything is basically ready to go. So that's a very good positive sign. So I checked all the sealing. It's all been glued back again, which it all had come down, sagging. But now at least we know everything is solid. Got some doormats. Yeah, details, man. Got to work on those things. I've got a roll of vinyl there, which is going to go on the floor. Our floor here, which is very tough PVC vinyl flooring, clip flooring. Problem is it's clip flooring, and it kind of unclips when it should stay clipped. Maybe it's the temperature differentials in here, which is a lot more than in a house, possibly. I suspect as much. So that's going over that when we're done with the ceiling. So once the ceiling is in, we'll put the floor in, then the bed can go back, plumbing can go in, maybe we can get some solar panels, finish up our electricity. We've got to have power as well. Getting this little 3-in-1 hybrid solar converter, which takes the solar power to your battery, which charges your battery. It does converting to from 12 or 24 volt to 230 volts. So you've got plug points, and you can plug it into the mains if you park somewhere, get an extension cord, plug it in there. So it's a 3-in-1, very handy. I like that all-in-one stuff. So you've got options as well, because our water heating, that will be gas and electric. I think it's a whale pump, one of those. Probably the best value. I mean, I've been looking around, and the stuff can run into the thousands, and as I said earlier, budget is a big deal here. So a whale pump maybe for the heating, and another one for the water, and we'll see how that goes. And they can all be installed underneath the bus, because now over here we have our drain installed. And that was another thing with the fittings. Couldn't do that until I had the right fittings. And that's all because it's a mix of everything else. So here, our drain is in here. It's been sealed off. That goes there. And that goes to the grey water tank. All of this is here waiting for the heating gas heater for the water. So yeah, but a quick update. Doesn't look like much has happened, but I've been here all day long just fiddling away with these little screws, little things that need tightening up. I'm a lot happier now all that small stuff is done. And we can focus on the ceiling. That's the next project, and that's going to be quite a bit of a mission. We're going to need 2 people. But after that's done, I think we're just about there, man. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, thanks for your comments every time. We appreciate it, we like reading them. We get in there, it's taking far longer than we had anticipated. Obviously, if you have a big budget, things happen like this, but we don't have that, so we're still enjoying the ride, which is also part of it. Don't forget to enjoy what you're doing.
People, this is a humongous occasion.
Finito. We've moved in, so we thought make a whole door out of it. We might need to top up soon. This is basically what you lie on in your hammock. So these are guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Keep safe out there. Ciao.